channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. How are you? I hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world. Today, I am going to be styling the Marleigh Satchel from Coach with the Kaffe Fassett print. That is the bag being featured today in this styling. I'm going to be styling it 7 different ways. So if you're into fashion, you're into handbags, then consider sticking around. Like, subscribe, click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload more videos. So I love fashion, I love handbags, and I decided to choose this bag because I think it's a great teaching, styling tool, accessory for, styling a bag that has a really bold print on it. A lot of times people shy away from bags with bold prints because they think they're limited to the colors that are in the bag, or they think they can only wear it with solid colors. And that's just not the case, which we're gonna see here today in these stylings. Now, one of the stylings, I couldn't quite make up my mind which one I like best, so I'm gonna need some feedback from you in the comments below, or I should say, I would like to get some feedback from you in the comments below. I like creating dialogue and I like interacting with you. That's the best part about, this platform that I have been blessed to have. So it's the Kaffe Fassett print on the Marleigh Satchel, and this is from the 1941 collection that Coach has. Like I said, has a classic silhouette with top handles. It does have feet. If you want to see more in-depth look at this bag, then just click on the link in the description box below. All right, guys, and this bag also comes with an adjustable strap. It has eyelets that extend the length of the strap, which makes it easy to adjust for all heights, which I love. Now, if you're interested in this particular bag, you can check the resale market, Poshmark, eBay, List. I know they have some in the solid color. This one is a rarity and it's really hard to find, but don't give up, just keep checking. You might find the one with this particular print. All right, so let's get into it. I'm gonna first show you some flat layouts of the pieces that I've styled. Then I'm going to style them, live modeling shots for you so you can get a full 360 view of how it looks with the different stylings. So let's just jump right into it. Be right back.
For the first look with this Marleigh Satchel, I'll be pairing this pretty little thing green bodysuit with a pair of white capri jeans and some black Gianni beanie sandals and a Tory Burch belt. For look number 2, I'm wearing a white t-shirt that I picked up from Target and this Banana Republic thrifted skirt that I've had for years. You've seen it in a lot of my stylings. I absolutely love this pleated skirt, so feminine and flowy. The black Gianni beanie sandals and the Tory Burch belt. For look number 3, I'll be wearing an H&M black top that I thrifted, a pair of pants from H&M, and the same black Gianni beanie sandals. The belt is by Free People, and this is definitely an out-of-the-box purchase for me. When I bought it, I had a vision of wearing it with a black maxi dress with a mock turtleneck and cap sleeve. I thought that would just be awesome, or either a maxi length black skirt that had like a draping where you could kind of tie it and knot it, kind of a bohemian type feel. but I'm just working with what I have in my closet. So this is look number 3, and I think it pops. It's just really cool and different and neat, and the belt is so unique because you can unhook it 3 different ways, and you can wear it without the chains as well. So this is look number 3. For look number 4, I am wearing a Ralph Lauren polo t-shirt that I thrifted, a pair of Boyfriend Gap jeans that were also thrifted years ago. Love them. Tory Burch belt and these knockoff Birkenstock shoes from Walmart. And I gave a second option because I was kind of, up in the air about this other belt. I think the black belt goes better with the shoes and just kind of balances out the look a lot better, but I also like the other belt, so maybe with a different pair of shoes the second belt would work. Let me know in the comments below what you think, but this is a very nice casual outfit. This is just running around town, got errands to do, and you still want to look fairly nice. You don't want to wear sweats or jogging suit. You want to be a little bit more put together, but not too put together. This is the way to go. For look number 5, I am playing around with mixing prints. So I think this bag pairs well with this black and white striped J. Crew dress and these Birkenstock knockoffs from Walmart. I like that the dress just has a limited color palette of 2 colors, and those same colors are also in the bag. So it's not really clashing and competing, and I think it works really, really well. So a great way you can mix patterns is to just use the busy pattern as your base, and then maybe have another pattern that is not so busy but has the same colors in it, and then you have a look that doesn't make you dizzy. For look number 6, keeping it very simple with this solid color 9 West coral red dress, pairing it with the Gianni Beanie black sandals. And I think this solid color dress is just a nice backdrop to allow this bag to just pop. So sometimes keeping it minimal is good. And for look number 7, the final look, I am pairing this bag with a army green gray bent jumpsuit. And if you have not seen my haul from Gray Bent, then I'll link that in the e-card and in the description box below. But I'm wearing also some Saucony trainers, really nice sneakers, and I think the trainers kind of tie in with the cream colored tie of the jumper, and I've kind of pulled up the legs on the jumper, kind of scrunched them up to bring them to like a capri style pant. And as you can see, you can wear this Marleigh Satchel as a crossbody bag, and it hangs very, very well as a shoulder bag, very easy to adjust on the notches. And this is look number 7.
Well, thank you guys so much for tuning in for the styling of the Kaffe Fassett printed Marleigh Satchel from Coach. Once again, this is the beauty here that was highlighted today. Let me know in the comments below which was your favorite styling. How would you style this bag? I know there are probably a million different ways this bag could be styled. I would love to have styled this with a beautiful flowy yellow dress with puffy sleeves. I think that would have looked nice. It does have like some hints of yellow in the center of the flower. Very subtle, but it's there. And there are just so many different ways that I think it would have just looked great with. And I'd love to hear from you and see what you think. That is all I have for today. Remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because he truly loves us so much. And I love you too. and I will see you very soon. Bye.